There he is. Come on, sir. Hope you're having a great day. I got firecracker hair going. I spent some time grinding these down inside here. I got to do some more finger banging, as they say, cleaning it up and such. And then, bam, I bent this up this morning. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Should I add a little mini elbow here or just a kickstand underneath it? You know, kind of like this, a piece of pipe, small piece. I'm trying to make a really nice stock chassis, and I think this is coming out pretty good. You know, like I said, let me know what you all think in the comment section. All my bends match. These are 76-degree bends all the way down. Well, yeah, I'm on an angle, but these are all 76-degree bends. They all match. I put a level on it. And yeah, center of the frame. So it was a little bit of a pain in the ass. Nothing in life is easy. But yeah, she came out good. Try my best. I do the best I can do. That's all I can do. I think it's coming along really nice. I think my son's going to be happy. I think this is going to look really sweet when it's powder coated. We're going to probably do it white and leave the rest of the suspension components the root beer color. I think it's going to look sharp, man. You'd be surprised when you take something like this and you put some steel in it, put some bends in it, and you go ahead and have it sandblasted and then have it powder coated. It looks like $1 million. It's really does. So really quick, I find a lot of stuff here every time I come to the landfill. You're not supposed to take anything out of here, but I do it anyway. Always find good stuff here at Firecracker here. Always. Every time I come here. Motors, 16 horsepower Honda motors that run. I've gotten like 8 or 9 bikes out of here. I just grabbed an air tank. So it's my little treat every time I come to the landfill. I find something good. Nice little free air tank from the landfill. Should clean it pretty good. Looks like a 5-gallon maybe, I'd say. Yeah, not sure, but free is for me, man. Hell yeah, we'll use it. Well, I opted to add a brace here for strength, only because these corners can, you know, vibrate, and I didn't want that. So put one here, one on the other side, and that should be good. I think it came out really nice. Very happy with it. It's uniform, it's symmetrical, and it's gonna look nice powder coated. I was thinking of making some inside filler panels and then dimple dyeing them in there, you know, to cover the holes up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Should I do it? Should I not do it? I don't know, just something to offset them holes. So what's going on, y'all? Making some more progress, getting ready to flip the frame. Check this out. Got our old engine mounts cut off, sort of cleaned up. Gonna make some new ones. Yeah, we're gonna end up bending up some bars like this. Little engine mount, boop. It's coming out. I'm gonna get it all back together, get the car together, and that'll be it for now. Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate. We got our bump steer taken care of. Watch the wheels, staying nice and straight. Hold that, Joe. The spacers that are in the upper control arms are the wrong size. We've got to change them once we get a wheel alignment, but go ahead and jack it up. Wheels never moved. It's a beautiful thing. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, come on down. All the way. Yep. All the way. Awesome. It's a beautiful thing. So now you can see frames together. You can slide it out, bud. Frames all together. We're gonna get this underneath. We got all our plates welded up. Nice and nice, not bad for a smaller welder. Small wire, 030. Should have used 035, but it's all good. And our tank protector looks good. Back half looks great. I like it. Joe, do you like it?
I love it.
What'd you say?
It's nice.
It's nice. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, man. Good stuff. So we're going to get the chassis underneath the car, get the body sitting on it. Going to put the fenders on it, radiator support, hood. Blow out the garage because it's a big dust pit. I've got to get my my engine up here, the Toyota engine for the Samurai. And we're going to put the Belair on hold for a little bit and move on to other things. But for now, actually, I can still do firewall work on this, but yeah, I'm going to take a break from the Belair and a lot of stuff we've done. So, all right, let's do it.